हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर वेरी वेल. You know that my name is Anu Patle, and that video I am going to share about that nursing related and this 2025. Do you know all 12th student exam has completed, and that result will be coming soon. So do you know that I know that all, not be a all, but something 90% that all student have choose their science, and they want to become nurses, doctors, like that. And that means when how do you become, I want to share that in this video. तो let's begin friends. तो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी को ये पता ही है कि हमारा अभी 12th का एग्ज़ाम हुआ है, 10th 12th वालों का एग्ज़ाम। और जो 12th वाले स्टूडेंट हैं वो चाहते ही होंगे कि मैं नर्स बनूं, बट ये कंफ्यूजन में होंगे कि हाउ टू आई बिकम अ नर्स. लेट मी टेल यू दैट थिंग कि फ्रेंड्स, exam are coming soon, that PNT exam, about that BSc nursing exam, entrance exam, and also post BSc nursing exam, that and MSc nursing, that entrance exam, they all are be coming soon. And friends, that I want to mostly experience that share about that private factor. In that private factor, means that medical colleges, that institutes, academies, like that, they are providing a good classes, good knowledge for you, and also enjoyment. But I want to say to that thing, you must be a try to be a government factor for the study, like about that medical field. If you want to become a nurse, so you try to reach the AIMS medical field. When you started that BSc nursing in that AIMS seat, you can you can all of us knowledge in that nursing and also that clinical field. But when you are in that private factor, you have some knowledge about that clinical factors. So I want to say that you mostly try to this कि क्लियर करो एम्स का जो है एग्ज़ाम. एंड आफ्टर डैट जो है कि आप मतलब कि डे बाई डे your knowledge is beginning, because of the that they have provided the more much clinical experience in that factor. Because of that AIMS, that's be a also my dream place. And that AIMS means they have a clinical experience more much. मतलब जब आप एम्स का अगर फाइट कर लिए, तो एम्स एक अच्छा प्रोफेशनल, अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है आप लोगों के लिए कि आप वहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से क्लिनिकल फील्ड में आप सीख सकते हैं, जिससे आपको बहुत ही फ़ायदा होगा. जैसे कि गवर्नमेंट फैक्टर में आप नर्सिंग की, तो ये आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस होगा, बेनिफिट होगा आपके लाइफ के लिए. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं मेडिकल फील्ड में जाऊं, तो मोस्टली आई एम सजेस्ट टू यू दैट BSc नर्सिंग you choose, and you must be a try to it that you clear it that AIMS exam, and then after you become a nursing, and also you become a nursing officer after that completed. You have a take that PW classes for this exam about AIMS, BSc nursing entrance exam, that. And friends, after mostly that is that time, when that time all student that 12th has passed, they had want to be a they had want to be a they had want to be a take a classes, and that they had prepare for all the things. Do you know that I know that if you want to be a become, if you want to have that achievement, if you want to be a goal, so you can achieve it. But do you know that when I was in 2022, I was in the 2022, that time I had given that entrance exam, that PSc nursing entrance exam, PNT exam, okay. So I had given that. Then after when I got my result, that rank, that has been not be a good, okay, because of without preparation I had got that exam and I had given. So that's why, and without preparation you can't be achieve the good things in your life. So you know that when I was in that time, I thought that in the private sector I will try that, okay. So I had gone that one institute for this learning that nursing. So I had gone that Sandeepni Academy, okay. So I had gone there and I had admitted then CG Institute of the Nursing in the Raipur, okay. I have admitted, but unfortunately what happened with me, um, that that teacher has told me not to be a teacher, said administrator, okay. So they had told me कि after 4 months after they had told, so better you can change your this nursing line, you can take that GNM, because of that BSc nursing has seat has full. That's why you know that I was started to be a learning in that class. I have internet that class, okay. So and after they had told me suddenly, so when I saw, so I thought that I thought that I will go that another institute for this learning and for admitted this thing. But my father has told me that institute has good, and that study materials they have provided more much, and you can achieve that. Because of that, that's also be a nursing, okay. And after when your GNM has completed, you can study that post BSc and MSc. So I thought that okay, it's nothing, it's a big deal, okay. So I thought that okay, I will do that. So friends, let me tell you that thing, I had got some wrong thing in that my life. But you don't that in that time you can form fill up that what's the PNT exam, okay. And that will be coming in that June, I think. Yeah, June my I think that time 25 I think. So friends, you can give that. And i I am told to you, you can give your best and that exam, and you can achieve that government factor for that study. That's be a good for your study, okay. So when I was in that thing, I in that time I am a nursing student, okay. And that's be my last year, and I'm happy for that. And because of that thing, I was thinking and that before I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that nursing, because I want to be a something as a big like that. Become a doctors like that. But when that's COVID time, actually that's happened with me. I couldn't do that, okay. So in that time I am doing that, and I'm a means I'm a clinical tutors. Now I had joined that one that medical field. That means one hospitals for that work, and that's very good, it's opportunity with me. And I'm very glad I'm a nursing student, and that profession is a very good thing. And if you want to be ask something for me, so you can send me a comments, I will reply that to you. And if you have any confusion, so you can ask me. Most of the things that I have told to you, PLT exam mostly you can give, and you can most be take a that 40 above exam 40 numbers in that exam, and you can achieve that government factor for their study. That's be a good for you. And you must be a if you want to be a really you want to be a become a medical field students and nursing, so you mostly be a try that AIMS, okay. Starting to when you start that nurse AIMS classes, AIMS campus, you like they had provided a more much opportunity for all the nursing students, so you must be tried it, okay. So thank you for this watching my video, friends. So okay, bye.